guys, Tracy here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is, you already know it, a Boxycharm unboxing. And this month's theme is all about the Caribbean. So, let's get to this video. Alright guys, so this is the pamphlet for this month's Boxycharm. It's all about the Caribbean Queen, and it shows you, as usual, the pricing of each item in the box. So let's just dive into this box right now. Honestly, the thing that I'm most excited about this box is these brushes. If you have seen my videos or have seen my Instagram posts, you may know that my favorite brushes are Luxie brushes. So the fact that they are in this month's box was a total win for me. Look at them. This is the Duo Fiber Powder brush. And it has the, and the Precision Foundation, the tapered highlight brush, which is, all those things. This is the Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion. It brings the Precision Foundation face brush, which we already, showed you, the tapered highlighting face brush, and the Duo Fiber Powder brush. So basically, what this brush can do, with less bristle density, this brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundations to create a soft, diffuse makeup look. I have used foundation brushes before. I just feel like they leave my skin streaky. But I am willing to try this one. Let's see how this one works out. The second one is, we all know, the tapered highlighting brush. This fluffy tapered brush allows you to seamlessly apply your favorite powder highlight to the high points of your face or set your under eye makeup. Ooh, since I already have a Luxie highlighting brush, I could definitely use that to use this, you get me? Because y'all already know, y'all ain't hiding under a rock. ColourPop released their foundation and their loose powder, so amazing that with this. Last but not least, we have the Duo Fiber Powder Brush, which is this one. Use this ultra soft Duo Fiber brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. These brushes are handcrafted makeup brushes with high quality soft synthetic bristles using hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free materials. So if those aren't reasons to love Luxie brushes, I don't know what is. But y'all better jump on this. Clearly my mom's dog is excited about them too. Right up next to the box, we have the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I've seen this I've seen it bigger at Sephora, and I always saw it and I was like, is this for your butt? Is it? Like, I never really read it because it said Bum Bum Cream, so I was like, it must be for your butt. Like, they smooth it there. Like Bengay. This, it says it's a fast absorbing body cream that helps tighten and smooth like no other. So yeah, butt cream. I have not to open that too. So, this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It's inspired by the Brazilian favorite feature, the Bum Bum. See, it's butt cream! I knew it! It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. Pistachio caramel leaves skin delicately fragrant. I was just about to comment on that, because it smells amazing. Amazing. Just to feel the texture, Oh my god, it's like really silky. Oh my god, it is fast absorbing because I don't feel it anymore. Let's see. This is, oh my goodness. It's like, it's gone. It absorbed onto my skin how it claims to say that it absorbs. So, I am looking forward and trying this. And if I like it, I'll probably buy the larger size that I see at Sephora all the damn time. Alright, well, moving on. The next thing in the box, which is, I am so happy that it came because we had it in a different box, a Galactic product. And that's what I got in this box. And the shade that I got is Blossom, which I don't have. So let's go ahead and read in the pamphlet what this is all about. This is the Galactic Lip Paint. Apply this rich and pigmented lip paint onto your lips, and within 1 minute, it will dry down to a beautiful matte color that would be noticeably dramatic without the dryness or flaking. I'm gonna tell you guys that I have used Galactic products in the past, and they're not drying. They are just the perfect satin matte formula that I've tried. And when I say satin matte, it's like because it leaves it all velvety, smooth, and just so good on the lips that they don't feel like the Sahara Desert. They're just smooth and hydrated, but they're matte. So they're, you know, not transfer. You know, you're just drinking and you're just like, oh, it's not on my cup. You get me? So this. Oh, well, look at that. We got another product from Jonte Bleu. Ooh, there's a waterproof eyeliner pencil. I remember the days in high school and middle school when I used to put black liner everywhere. If I had a picture, I'd show you. Maybe not. The 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use it along the upper lash line or waterline, or both, you know? Get that look. My high school days. Next thing in the box is the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. This 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes enhances your look with the moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. Mira eso. I don't wear lashes. I actually always give my false lashes to my mom. Those that don't know, my mom doesn't have lashes, so whenever I get some good lashes that'll last for a long time, I give them to her. And Boxycharm has been promoting this product endlessly because their very own makeup artist Gaby has released her own makeup line. It is Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1. And I'm so excited for this. I haven't opened this because I'm just okay, we're gonna open it together because I've seen the swatches, I've seen how everybody's raving about this, but I wanted to see it. Okay. Oh, look at it! Okay, let's take this off. Look at this. This is the star of the show, guys. So this is inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar, featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, and velvety mattes. So I'm like looking at La Costa and I'm just like, I need to swatch this. Look at this. Okay, let's go to El Malecón, to Varadero, Celia. These are, guys, look at this. This one is El Malecón, this is La Costa, this is Varadero, and this is Celia. These shimmers are freaking gorgeous. Like, might as well, right? Oh my god, look at that on my face. Oh my god. I just did that. Look at that. Pardon my acne scars, but look at that pigment. Come on, guys. So I need to even out my face now because, you know, that's how I do. So we're going in with Coco Taxi, Tropico, Guantanamera, and Cafecito, obviously. So these are the matte shades. This one is Coco Taxi, Tropico, Guantanamera, and Cafecito. So my dudes, look at this. That wasn't a great swatch, but these are the swatches on these products. I'm gonna have fun with this eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it's all over my face already. Clarity is not where eyeshadow goes, but I'm excited for this. We got 6 products in this month's box, guys. Like, that is freaking amazing. Guys, I don't know how many times I have to tell you guys. You guys should subscribe to this box. This box is amazing. It's $21 a month, and you get all of this. And of course, I'm gonna let you guys how much everything retails for. So, the Luxie brushes that we mentioned at the first, the first thing that we mentioned in the video, these are a value of $42. Then the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, this little mini one is $10. The Galactic Lip Paint, this goes for $23. The Battington Monroe Silk Lashes, these go for $28. The Jonte Blue Waterproof Eyeliner goes for $5. And the star of the show, I dropped the eyelashes. And the star of the show goes for $28. So guys, that is enough to tell you. That this box is the bomb diggity. $21 a month and you get all this product. Can't go wrong. Come on, can't go wrong. Honestly, this video went another way because I'm wearing eyeshadows on my face. That don't belong there, they belong over here. That is my Boxycharm unboxing video, guys, for June of 2018. If you guys like watching my unboxing videos, please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it on our social media channels, and make sure to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button, guys. Y'all know you want to see his face again? Ring that notification bell as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and until the next video, bye.